Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Joy-Con or your Nintendo Switch controllers over to your Apple iPhone. And this is easy to do. So the first thing on our iPhone is we want to go over to Settings and then locate Bluetooth. And then make sure this is turned on. And then remove the black cover for your Joy-Con and hold down the sync button right here. And make sure it's going up and down with the light. That's an indication it's trying to sync up to something. Then go over to your iPhone and tap the left Joy-Con and the right Joy-Con on the bottom. And they should be connected and synced. So just make sure you keep tapping them. So you can see the left one is connected. And it's a solid light now. And the right one is connected also. It's a solid light. So we should be able to use this now with our Apple iPhone. And if we ever want to disconnect it, we can just go to the eye and then go to disconnect and it should turn it off. And you should be good to go. Then you can try playing in a game or something like that. Now, if you want to go to the Bluetooth options again, you can just scroll on down from the top right. Okay, Bluetooth right here. Bluetooth. And you can see what's connected. Here's Bluetooth settings. We'll bring it to the same page. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.